I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling.
First week all about first impressions. Majority of the time you can tell from the person like from the first encounter. With Connor, I don't think anyone really knew what to think.
Throughout our third year, I've been trying to figure out what happened. I cannot find out that much except for David. Andrew Roach decided to leave his books on radiator overnight when we arrived into our famous prefabricated classrooms. The next morning, he was full of smoke. Not on fire, just full of smoke from Andrew's books burning.
Go out and smash it, like oh my god. Jump out that sofa, let's get on.
Fourth year, a year bursting with tricks. And who did they give the speech to? A man who wasn't trying any of them. Nevertheless, on trying some of the year, they gave us Americans some new classmates, and James Keen's crowning moment in Irish class, making up his very own new tent of Mabalum.
In fifth year we didn't go on any trips, we really didn't get many places in sports, and to be honest, we were also focused on our studies, we really didn't have much fun. However, as always there were a few moments here and there where people made a fool of themselves. James Keane.
Throughout our time in this grade school, we have many great experiences with teaching staff. This year we were introduced to the lovely Mr. O'Donnell. Okay, we would like to inform you, okay, that in one class you said okay 93 times.
Good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel tonight's the night.
When I look down at my wonderful 6th-year students, memories come flying back to me of certain images and certain words enter my head, such as young love. We have numerous students who have eyes for each other in this year group. Some are recent, others are long-term. Our king and queen, of course, are Natalie and James. Then we had our friend Smiley, David McAteer. You would talk to him, you would whisper to him, you would shout at him, you would scream at him, and he would just smile at you.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
And always remember, in this school you will always be welcome. Don't ever be afraid to come back and talk. Or when you get your results, to spend time with Mr. Galvin or Mr. President or any of us to talk about your results and talk about your actions. Because, you know, we're there to help you. I meet students all the way going back. Some of them are getting married now. It pleases me so much to meet them, and they kind of look at you in the street and they kind of know whether they say sir or what do I do or Mr. Malone. And very often I'm glad to say they call me Noel. That's my first name, by the way. You know, it's nice to be able to chat and talk to people on a personal level and be friendly with them and support them. And we're always there for you. I know that. I speak to all the teachers here. We're always going to be there for you.
quando sei lontana sogno all'orizzonte, manca le parole. E io sì lo so che sei con me, tu mia luna, tu sei qui con me, mio sole, tu sei qui con me, con me, con me, con me. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai.
There is an unbelievable realization that you're now on your own. You're actually now going out into this world, whether it's going to college, which most of you hopefully will do, whether it's going into the world of work, which is becoming more and more difficult. Whatever it is, you're on your own.
And as a wise kind man once said, and it wasn't Mr. Brown by the way, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. I bid you farewell. Thank you.
Declare class of 2011 graduated.